Today, we're going to talk about split testing, also known as A/B testing, and it's one of the most effective ways to optimize your funnel and increase conversions. Now, the idea is simple. You create two versions of a single element in your funnel, such as a landing page, headline, or call to action, and then you test them against each other to see which performs better. Now, today we're going to get specific about how to implement split testing effectively using Go High Level's built-in tools. Let's start with the basics. What should you test? Now, the first rule of split testing is to test one variable at a time. Now, if you change multiple elements at once, you won't know which change made the impact. So, for example, if you're testing a landing page, you might start with a headline. Create two versions of the headline. One might be benefit driven, like discover how to double your sales in 30 days. And the other might be curiosity driven, like the secret to doubling your sales that nobody talks about. Everything else on the page stays the same except for the headline. By testing just one variable, you can accurately measure its impact. After headlines, the next most important element to test is your call to action. Wording, color, and placement of your CTA button can significantly affect conversions. For example, you could test the CTA Get Instant Access against Download Now to see which performs better. You could also test different button colors. Research has shown that contrasting colors often perform better because they stand out more on the page. Now, the key here is to keep your test focused. Don't change too many things at once. Another critical element to test is the offer itself. Let's say you're offering a free trial or a discount. You could test a 7-day free trial against a 14-day free trial or a 10% discount against a $50 discount. Small changes in how you present the offer can have a huge impact on conversions, and split testing allows you to find the optimal version. Timing is also important. Make sure you run your test long enough to collect enough data for meaningful results. Now, if your site gets low traffic, you might need to run the test for a few weeks or even a month. The key metric to watch is statistical significance. This tells you whether the difference in performance between the two versions is large enough to be meaningful, rather than just random variation. Now, Go High Level's reporting dashboard will help you track these metrics and calculate significance automatically. All right, now let's talk about split testing tools within Go High Level. The platform makes it easy to set up split test without needing any external tools. Now you can create multiple versions of your landing pages, headlines, and CTAs, or even the entire funnel, and split your traffic between them. The tool will automatically track the results and show you which version is performing better. Now, another critical factor in split testing is user behavior tracking. Go High Level offers insights into how users are interacting with your funnel, including heat maps and scroll tracking. If you notice through behavior tracking that visitors aren't scrolling far enough to see your CTA, you might want to test moving the CTA higher up on the page. This combination of quantitative data, split test results, and qualitative data, behavior tracking, gives you a much clearer picture of what's really going on. Let's also discuss the importance of testing beyond your landing pages. Now, you can run split test on your email sequences, testing subject lines, body copy, and even the timing of your emails. For example, you could test sending an email in the morning versus the afternoon to see which gets better open rates. Similarly, you could test different subject lines. One might be direct and to the point, while the other might be more curiosity driven. Now, testing different elements of your email sequences can lead to significant improvements in your funnel's overall performance. Now, remember, split testing isn't a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process. The more you test, the more you'll learn about what resonates with your audience and what drives them to take action. And as your business grows and evolves, you'll want to continue testing to optimize for new audiences, products, and trends, of course. Now, in summary, split testing is essential for funnel optimization. By testing one variable at a time, focusing on key elements like headlines, CTAs, and offers, and using Go High Level's built-in split testing tools and reporting dashboard to track results, you can continuously improve your funnel's performance. The data you gather from split testing is invaluable in making informed decisions that will lead to higher conversions and ultimately more revenue. So I hope this conversation about split testing has helped today. If you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Also, if you would like to try Go High Level out, I have a 14-day free trial link in the description area. And so I hope you have a great day. Send me your questions for Go High Level. I'd love to help you out and help address them. Have a great one.